Muyumi kanki ukumanda yuyanakupashkanchik taytakukunamanta shinallata mamakukunamanta que paykuna kan ñukanchik sapi yuyay.
In this pandemic, it is our duty to protect our grandmothers and grandfathers who live in the most vulnerable communities of Cotacachi. We who are part of the KIchwa Cultural Center witness the impact this pandemic has on our people every day.
Bueno, ñukanchik kay Morocho llaqtamanta kapanchik kay cabildo ukukumanta ñuka como presidenta kay organización muyumi kanchik nishpa kay Centro Cultural de Kichwa nishpa chay ukukunatami ñukanchikkuna yusulpaki nipanchik.
We are living in difficult times, and the night is darker before dawn. But we are not alone in this battle. When we look around inside our communities, we see that we continue to fight and resist, and we will continue to smile. Our grandmothers and grandfathers taught us to practice the important principle of reciprocity, randi randi. And so in our work in the communities today, we give to receive and receive to give.
Kazaripika mashi apak kikinda hasta kata shungumanda agradecini chimanda jota y Centro Cultural Muyumi Kanki representado kikimbe kay cerca do llaqtaman yana panga pasamos kamanda kay cerca do llaqta pashutipi to voy llamar me beneficio que kuna pashutipi kikinda shungumanda agradecipane.